Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Hornby HAA wagon triple packs in rail freight livery, and to do that we're going to start here. So a little bit about the wagons before we get into the packaging. Now built between 1964 and 1977, the wagons were built for the purpose of moving coal more efficiently, with the aim of improving the supply of coal to power stations. Now it was intended for the wagons to run in a continuous loop from the colliery to the power station and back again, hence why they got the nickname of merry-go-round wagons. Now with the decline of the British coal industry, these once very common wagons are very few and far between. In fact, they're extremely rare, with most of them being scrapped or made into other wagons. Now there are over 11,000 of these wagons made, and several large batches of these wagons were made here, yes, at Shildon, now home of Locomotion, part of the National Railway Museum, and it's basically built on the site of the old wagon works. Bit of an extension going on soon as well to expand the collection, but they were built where the majority of them were built here. Now wagons are often forgot about when it comes down to preservation, which is why it's great to see the work of organisations such as the National Wagon Preservation Group, and here the Friends of the National Railway Museum. Now that I'm aware of, there's about 15 of these wagons currently in preservation in sites around the UK, here at Locomotion, and there's some at the Chasewater Railway and a couple of other locations. I'll put some links in the description that you can check out after you've watched this video, of course, but they'll be there. Now back to the Hornby models. So why did I buy these wagons? Well, a while back I purchased two of the EFE Rail Class 58s, one in red stripe rail freight and one in coal sector livery. And it has always been the intention to have at least one full MGR rake of HAA wagons for them. Now up until recently I had purchased one brand new HAA wagon and managed to pick up a number of pre-owned earlier Hornby Railways examples at a very reasonable price from Durham trains of Stanley. However, the price of older pre-owned examples have now started to creep up, so much so now that the difference in price between new and old is very small, unless you're very lucky to pick up a bargain. So because of this, when the packs from Hornby became available, I made the decision to buy 3 of these triple packs to build up the rake at pace. So in these packs you get 3 HAA wagons with different running numbers. However, that being said, by the time I weather these, I very much doubt that I will be able to even notice that, especially when they're travelling along the track. Now if you follow our sister channel, Aidans Railways Extras, you will have seen a number of shorts of these wagons running with the wagons I had previously sourced, and to be honest, when they're mixed together, neither example look out of place with each other. So some of the bonuses to the newer tooling compared to the old are strong, solid wheel sets. Now these wagons run very smoothly and I have not experienced any derailments with the sets. And obviously with the older model, you can just change the wheel sets should you want to. The model is significantly more weighty, which most likely helps stop the models jumping the rails and causing derailments. They most certainly do have more prototypical buffers than that of the older model, and with most models these days, the buffers are sprung. Now obviously the difference in buffers is not something that jumps out when they're travelling around, but when stationary it is very pleasant to see. The printed detail is very good and crisp, however in my case most of that will be hidden when they're weathered. There is significantly more finer detail along the chassis and riveting on the body. And one of the things that really makes a difference for me is the fact that the newer models feature Nem Pocket Couplings. Now, although I've not taken full advantage of this yet, it does mean that coupling between the older wagons and the newer ones is made much easier, as I can just swap the small tension hook coupling for a larger one. It also means I can take advantage of other coupling methods such as magnetic, KD and close fixed coupling systems. So future plans for these wagons at Aidans Railways will be weathering, fitting of loads, couplings and fitting of a flashing tail lamp to the last wagon in the set. Now at present time of filming I have 15 of these HAA wagons, but when I ran them recently I have come to the conclusion that for me I will be purchasing at least another 2 of these triple packs just to make the length of the train look a little more pleasing to my eye. Now I have put a link in the description for these wagons at Hornby should you wish to purchase any, These are available as a triple pack and singular, and Hornby offer a pay in 4 payments option that really does make it much easier affording the outlay for model these days. I personally have used the pay in 4 payment system before, and I have found it to be a lot easier than shelling out in one go for a purchase. Now don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Check out some more of the channel's episodes, and if you haven't already, check out the Aidans Railways Extras channel for short form and slightly different model content. So from Locomotion at Shildon, see you again next time. Bye now.